Hello and good morning. This is Seamus and 7MYW. This time another shakuhachi related video. Although this time it's an unboxing. About 2 weeks ago I made a deal with another musician back in Maryland to swap out and trade two of my rim-blown Pueblo Native American flutes for a couple of shakuhachis. I've been looking for various sizes, but I wanted another well-made 1.8, and as part of the bargain for this, I also have a 1.9. Now, I don't know how these are going to play. I don't know how they're going to feel, how they look, other than just photographs. So, let's do an unboxing. Now this is going to be interesting. Packed it well. Oh, here we go. All right. So let's take the camera over here a little bit. Use the chair as a backdrop so that it's a little darker color. All right, so here we go. This one here, it's packaged as the 1.9. So we'll go ahead and take that out of there. There we go. All right. And it looks like he included, let me set this back a little bit so you can see. Ta-da! There's a 1.9. Now this does not have a Hanko on it. It's an older, and it's definitely well used. And as you can see, it has a Tozan Uraguchi at the top there. So that is a 1.9. So that is the first part of the package. Let's see if I can get the other one done here. Now this one here is the 1.8. And he included a wonderful, nice case for it as well. So we'll see what this looks like when we get this undone. Sorry if the volume is really low. And there it is. And voila, there we go. This particular model has a wonderful Kinko Uraguchi here at the top. This one does have a Hanko on it. Let's see if I can find it here for you. Let's see here. And there it is right there. We'll do some more research later and discuss a little bit more, but that's the unboxing. So, here we go. Two brand new shakuhachi, a 1.8 and a 1.9, ready for the collection. So I will go ahead and try these a little bit later, and perhaps I'll make a video on how they sound. But many thanks to the person who I traded to, and the opportunity to have yet again some more shakuhachi in the collection. Now that's probably the last time I'll be purchasing any shakuhachi. Well, not purchasing. This was a trade. This is the last time I'll be doing this for a while. But it's going to be nice to have a couple more instruments to play. So That being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I wanted to thank everybody for watching. If you enjoy this channel, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It's free, and I don't have any sponsors. I don't get paid for any of this. It's just fun. Now, I will get back to, of course, to some ham radio as well, but I did want to go ahead and post these 2 new shakuhachi in my collection. And thank you for watching. 73 from Seamus and 7MYW.